Welcome back to the channel. Donnie D here. Today I have another time and cost video for you guys today. Stay tuned. Here we go. Today I have a glass mosaic backsplash that I did over the summer of 2021. And just a quick disclaimer, these are the prices that these clients paid at the time. As time goes on with inflation, everything else like that going on in the country right now. It's early 2022. Things have gone up a little bit, but this is what at the time what the client invested in this backsplash. I figure just show you and share with you today what that looks like. So now this is the install. I used a glass mosaic the client supplied for me. It's like a stone mix as well. They're long rectangular pieces here. Came out real nice. Now this backsplash needed some prep work. I'll try to put some pictures of that up on the screen here, but it definitely needed some prep work. So all in all, it's a pretty straightforward project. So okay, so this is what the backsplash looked like before. I had to demo out all the old tile, and actually had to replace a lot of the boards and do some screeding to get it ready for the new glass mosaic tile that went up here. So basically I had to rip out one side, this backsplash, one side I was able to keep around the window, then I reinforced it, getting it ready for the new tile. So as far as time goes, I had a total amount of 33 hours within 6 days. So I worked 6 days on this project. Some days were only 4 hours, some days were 7 hours. So total of 6 days at 33 hours. So now as far as that goes, the total investment that the client made with the backsplash install and all the prep work I had to do here to get it up to industry standards, the total was $3,480. Again, $3,480. So that was the total amount the client paid me to do the project for them. And this again was in the summer of 2021. I hope a video like this helps you figure out what your backsplash might cost. Now again, this was back then in midsummer of 2021, and I am in the tri-state New Jersey area, pretty much NYC metro area, so prices are going to vary everywhere you go. To give you an idea, what I charged back then, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is Donnie from Donnie D's Tile&Remodeling. Please subscribe if you haven't already, like and share this video, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.